Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find the dual app settings on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to apps, and over here we have App Cloner. If you enter this setting, then you should be able to find all apps on your device that can be duplicated. So now you can select the app that you can clone, and then you can create the clone, and later on you can also delete the clone as well. You can set up the custom name for the app, and we can also choose what should happen when you use quick functions. So you can always ask or open original app. If you go back, you can also go to other apps in order to find the list of other apps that can be cloned, but their clones may not work properly due to updatation issues. So for instance, we can go to TikTok and then create the TikTok clone as well. And now let's go back one more time. Over here we can go to advanced settings. We have the troubleshooting. We can tap on these three dots in order to delete app clones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.